We are back. Sorry for a long pause, but I was really busy. I wasn't actually that busy. Um, I was lazy actually. I had to do post every week, and I didn't post every week. But I will post every week. From now on, I will post every week. What happened in the markets? I wasn't here, wasn't didn't post for a month, and a lot has happened. So many people are in profit now. So yeah, we are heading towards the end. And as we usually look at general indicators here, fear and greed, people are in fear. I would love to be in extreme fear to start buying aggressively, but I think people were enough fearful with the recent drop. We are not in altcoin season, and the CBBI is steadily climbing towards 100%, where we go all liquid. So yeah, let's check out Bitcoin. This is actually really healthy. I actually love this price movement. Unfortunately, it is really scary, and you have to be careful when you're leverage trading. And I actually shorted here for a while, but I didn't catch the whole candle, unfortunately. Another unlucky scenario for me was that I didn't. I canceled all my orders, and there were a lot of orders, and I canceled this order right here, these two orders, so I didn't enter long here. I would have been in good profit, but yeah, that's unlucky. Unlucky. It's not unlucky, it's just unprofessional, and I won't be unprofessional because I'm here and to make money and share and learn from other people. Share to other people what I'm my opinion and also learn from other people. So yeah, leave a comment if you have an opinion about this topic. Um, yeah, Bitcoin. I think we will stay in this zone and maybe sweep one more low before we continue going higher. Um, there's not much liquidity left. I think there's more liquidity to the upside right now, which is really logical. And here, ETH. I love trading ETH. I traded ETH this cycle a lot, but yeah, you have to be careful. I lost money on ETH and a year ago, and I'll talk about that in a future video. I have actually many videos planned that are not only daily updates, that are just like my trading journey, about my trading journey. So yeah, all these. Fortunately, I put orders back, and all the orders got triggered. So yeah, I have a decent position on ETH. I I reduced its size though because I was scared of it dropping more, which in hindsight it's not that likely, but I wanted to stay careful and have room um, for the price if it wants to move down, for it to move down. So yeah, orders were triggered, but they were lower. They weren't that. I reduced the size of the orders. Liquidity on ETH also not much more to the upside currently than the downside. And what happened with Ripple is crazy. Ripple got huge, huge wave. Uh, has a huge wave of 57%. That's crazy. Imagine being long here. I was long, but my position was really small, and I didn't put one more position here as I was talking in the video, because those positions, those orders were cancelled. Fortunately, actually, because I don't know if my account would have supported all those losses and in at the same time, because this is huge loss. This is huge. So yeah, I was lucky in that aspect. But yeah, it was a good opportunity to lose your account if you're leverage trading. That's why you have to be really careful. Asset I forgot to talk about on my channel is BNB. My most profitable trade was on BNB. Most profitable daily trade was on BNB, and that was 2024. I once made $1,000 in one day on BNB, and I'm really proud of that because it was a good trade. It was a good trade. It was also a really lucky trade because I caught the whole candle from the bottom to the top. But yeah, I'm really happy with that trade. And that's only one day. That's not swing, waiting for anything, which I usually do. That was just one day. This looks good. Let's put some money, and it pumped. So yeah, that's good. Um, so yeah, I also have to tell a story how I lost 100k, and I will talk about that in a future video. I want to make a separate video only about on that topic. And Solana. Buying Solana below 200 in my opinion right now is a good deal. And I will buy Solana under 200k, 200 not k, and I expect it to pump at least towards the all-time high. So 30, so 55%, not that, 49%, 50%, yeah, from here. That would be really nice. Yeah, 50%. But yeah, we'll see. Buying some below 200. I'm not actually longing it because there is possibility of one more correction, one more short correction to flush everyone out. But I really think that everyone probably is out because sentiment is really bad right now, which is good. That's why I will buy spot, but probably not um, uh, leverage position. Probably not leverage position here. So yeah, 10%. Yeah, thinking about longing here. Maybe, maybe. I'll definitely post that on Twitter if I do. So yeah, check out Twitter. Check out my Twitter account. Even if I'm not posting on YouTube, I am always active on Twitter. So yeah, share your opinion here, Twitter, wherever. Stay safe and uh, yeah, keep on hustling. Yes. See you next time. Bye bye.